video I will show you how to draw a half circle in MS Paint. Make sure draw a half circle in MS Paint. You can use the combination of the shapes and selection tools to create a clean and professional results. So open the MS Paint first and then go to the Home tab and go to the Shapes group and select the oval. And now hold down the Shift key and drag onto the canvas, and this ensures you draw a perfect circle rather than an oval. And then go to the size and change the size to the 8pt and change the color to the maroon. And now click on the color tool and go to the fill and click the solid fill and change the color to the yellow. Now this is the time to cut the circle in half, and now pick the white color and then go to the image group on the Home tab and click on the selection tool, and now select the rectangular selection and now carefully click and drag to draw a selection box over exactly half of your circle like this one, and now press the delete key on your keyboard to remove the circle. If you need the half circle to face a specific direction, for this you need to use the select tool again and click the like this one, select it, and then go to the rotate and make it right, rotate 90% angle, and like this one. You can even change to the left to the right side like this one. So this way you can easily make a half circle in MS Paint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.